Introducing the 2026 Skoda Enyaq 85 FL Sportline, the ultimate electric vehicle for those who value style, safety, and efficiency. This sleek black estate/Jeep is not just a car, it's a lifestyle choice. With luxurious interior features like ambient lighting, satellite navigation, and wireless charging, every drive will feel like a first-class experience. But it's not just about comfort. This vehicle is packed with security and safety features, such as lane departure warning, collision avoidance braking, and pedestrian warning systems to ensure you and your loved ones are always protected on the road. And with styling features like privacy glass, roof rails, and a spoiler, you'll turn heads wherever you go. Plus, with energy recuperation technology and self-driving capabilities, you'll be both eco-friendly and ahead of the curve. At Spirit Skoda, we guarantee that every vehicle undergoes a full, multi-point health and safety check, is serviced to manufacturer specification, and comes with a comprehensive warranty. Don't wait. Call us today or visit spiritskoda.ie to learn more about the 2026 Skoda Enyaq 85 FL Sportline and to schedule a test drive. Experience the future of driving with Skoda.